Let's activate Blender add-on and language setting. First part, let's activate add-on. Open Blender. Open User Preferences from the Editor selector on the bottom left. Click Add-on tab. Activate all supported level boxes on the left side. Here, the testing box is not activated, so click while pressing Shift key. Next, we look for the add-ons. Since there are a lot of add-ons, we use Search window. First, look for Make Human Exchange and Make Walk. Put MAKE in the search box just above the supported level. Now we've found Make Human Exchange and Make Walk. Check the left box of the add-on names. Now search for Manuel Bastioni Lab. Erase the text in the search box and put MANU. Now we've found Manuel Bastioni Lab. Check the box. Next, search for Pastel Action. Erase the text in the search box and put PAS. Now we've found Pastel Action. Check the box. Finally, press Save User Settings at the bottom left to save settings. Now add-ons are activated. Second part. Let's activate language setting. Open Blender. Open User Preferences from the Editor selector on the bottom left. Press System tab. Check the box of International Fonts at the bottom. 3 new buttons will appear. Press these 3 buttons to activate. Press Interface, Tooltips, and New Data. Finally, press Save User Settings at the bottom left to save settings. Now language setting is activated. Activation of add-ons and language setting is completed. Thank you for watching.